How to turn on live caption on your OnePlus Nord 3, Nord CE3 Lite, Nord CE4. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down. Tap on sounds and vibration. At the top you can find the live caption. That will helpful to automatically caption the speech when you play any video or any song on your device. Tap on it. Here you can find live caption detect the speech on your device and automatically generate the caption on the screen. Here you must make sure to go on use live caption option to use it. Tap on OK. Now here you can see different caption settings. Tap on languages. Here you can add the language for the caption speech. Tap on add a language. Here you can find the 6 different languages: French, German, Hindi, Italian, Japanese, Spanish. Just download the language. Here we download the language Hindi. Tap on add a language. Now wait until downloading the language on a device. Let's go back. Here you can find caption preferences. Tap on it. Toggle on it. Here you can see how it looks. Language, default language, text size. Here you can choose the text size for captions. Here you can see the preview, large, how it looks when you play video on your device, small. Here we select the large option. Here you can choose caption size, white on black, black on white, yellow on black. You can see the preview here, yellow on a blue, or customize your favorite color. Here you customize, as you can find font family, text color, text opacity, edge type, background color. So you can customize your caption preferences from here. Now go back. Here you can find important setting live caption volume control. So you can easily enable or disable live caption of any video using the volume up or down button. Just press the volume up or volume down button and you can find the caption live caption button. Tap on it. Press the volume up or down button and you can find the caption button. Tap on it to enable or disable it. Now go to language again. Here you can see the now download the language for caption. Just tap on it to set it or remove it on your device. So this is the all setting you can use to live caption to automatically detect the video speech on your phone. That's it. If you like it, share it.